Hey guys, today we have here a Mitsubishi Triton 2.4 4N15 engine. So today I'm gonna do a full stage 1 tuning for this car. The tuning package include this 3 stuff. We will put in the K&N air filter. We're gonna change the exhaust out here, full system, from turbo back. The exhaust is made in Vietnam by Passio Tuning 100%. And finally we will tune the ECU to match with all the components that we put in. Okay, so because the car will put quite a number of stuff in, so I'm gonna do 3 tests on the dyno with it. First one I'm gonna do of course the stock test, and then I'll put in the air filter and the exhaust system. The map remain the same, remain stock, to see how effective the air filter and the full exhaust system work. And then I'm gonna run another test with all the stock component. Only change the map in the ECU to see how effective the remaps will make on the engine power. And the final test I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put all together and run the dyno again and compare with the stock to see how much it's gained when we put all this stuff together. Okay, so here I have the map sensor to lock for the boost signal. This is very important. And at the end I will have a lambda sensor to adjust the air fuel ratio to make it powerful but not gonna make any black smoke. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, so the car is warmed up. I'm gonna run stock dyno test now. Okay, I'm gonna film at the exhaust area to see how much smoke it's made when it's completely stopped now. Hey guys, so first test I'm gonna keep all the components stock, and I will flash the ECU only. The car is warmed up now. I'm gonna run the test. Okay guys, so the rest of the component still remain the same. I only flash the ECU. I'm gonna film the area at the exhaust to see how much smoke it's gonna make. Okay, so after we test the car with the original map, we're gonna put the full exhaust system in the car. This including catlet downpipe with large diameter to make sure that the exhaust flow better. So this is completely plug and play. We just need to take out the whole thing from the OEM exhaust, and then we put the PST power exhaust in. Just want to let you know that PST power is the exhaust system that developed and produced by Passio Tuning in Vietnam. We're gonna show you the dyno test later on after installation. Okay guys, so after I install the full system exhaust, and now with the K&N air filter, I'm gonna run a dyno test with the stock map to see how much horsepower it's gonna make if we put only the air filter together with the exhaust system. Okay guys, so I've done the test with the stock map together with the full exhaust system and the K&N air filter, and now I'm gonna run the test with all things together, full stage 1 for this car, K&N air filter, full exhaust system together with the proper remap to match with all the hardware that we install. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so we now have the full exhaust system, K&N air filter, and the ECU has been flashed. So now I'm gonna film this area to see if it's got a lot of black smoke or not. Okay guys, so here is the result. So I will go through the 3 dyno results for the 3 different tests. This one I only put the exhaust system together with the K&N air filter. So stock car 145. After we install this hardware, we got 152. So roughly about 7 wheel horsepower gain. And torque stock is 381. After we install, we have like 418. So we gain about 37 Newton meter at wheel. That's a lot to bring big difference in acceleration of the car. Okay, so this is just hardware only. We don't touch anything on the map. So next one, I will go through the result of no change in hardware, but we remap ECU only. So like before, 145, 381. So after remap, without install those hardware, we have 34 wheel horsepower gain. And in terms of torque, after remap, it's rise up to 454. So we got like 73 Newton meter gain at wheel, just only remap the ECU without installing any hardware. Yeah, so this one remap only, no changing in hardware, 34 wheel horsepower, and 73 Newton meter gain at wheel. Last one, we put all things together. Like before, stock 145, and after we put all things together, we got 183. So we have like 38 wheel horsepower gain, and torque stock 381. We got after put all things together, it's 477. So it gains about 96 wheel horsepower, and you can see that the torque comes pretty sharp at low range of RPM. So big difference in acceleration. And most important thing is the car doesn't make a lot of black smoke compared to original. We keep the fuel and the air mixed at the right ratio, so it wouldn't make a lot of black smoke, but still bring good power to the car. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Passio Tuning channel. Thank you. See you soon.